Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a small AliExpress haul. Let's get into it. So first item that we have here, we have a couple pins. One is for my husband and one is for myself. And this is the first pin here. It's Mario. This is for my husband. He's going to love that. And next pin we have here, it actually came with a surprise. But it is from Beetlejuice. And if you know the scene where Barbara and Adam transform to get scary, if you don't, it's here.
What are you going to do? To scare them.
So that scene, I have these pins. This pin, it's one pin. And I'm so excited to add this to my pin board. This will be in my Beetlejuice section. But that pin also came with 2 stickers, and it says, "Thank you for your patience. A lovely cartoon gift. Hope you're satisfied." And it's a Wonder Woman sticker and a Captain America sticker, I believe. Those will be cool for me and my husband. Last item that we have here, I am so excited about. If you are a Gilmore Girl fan, then you can relate. If not, then here's the clip that this is from.
Trust me?
In omnia paratus!
You jump, I jump, Jack.
In omnia paratus!
And I have a tin sign for myself. Are you shocked? I'm not. But it's from that scene. Oh, I'm so excited. And it says, "In omnia paratus," which means I'm ready for anything in Latin. And it's a big part of the show. And I'm so excited to add it to my collection. As you guys can see, my collection is going to be growing. I'm going to be taking this tapestry down and collaging my wall with tin signs as they come in. So if you'd like to see that and more of my videos, make sure that you hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss when I post another video. I'm noticing a lot of you guys are watching but not subscribing, so let's change that. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Let me know if you've shopped at AliExpress. Bye.